classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and down. Up. Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, host Rainbow High Dolls. Now on the back of the packaging you can see that they do have a different slogan. High school on the West Coast. Here the days are sunny, the classes are poolside, and the drama rolls in. 7 dolls to collect here. And who do we have? We have Miss Harper Dune. Yes, I just thought she looked so beautiful, and her color scheme reminds me of hip-hop artist Mary J. Blige, who's also on Power, so her doll kind of made me think of her. This one was kind of opal, and I definitely want to check out the guy. I may get a few others, but I'm not entirely sure yet. But what I'm going to do now is get Miss Harper out of her packaging, as we have a few debates to go over. Is she just a clone of Sunny Madison and Marissa Golding? We'll be right back. So I just removed her hat, and you guys can probably see it a little bit better now that she does have blonde with white actually blended into her hair as well. She's really pretty. Yep. Alright, we are back and we have Miss Harper out of her packaging. So you can see that this is the background of her packaging, and it looks like it's palm trees and it's kind of iridescent. It's kind of cool to think that there could be a high school out there that sits along the coastline. Here's a close-up look at her accessories. This is her bag, which looks like it's functional. Looks like she has a towel. She has her shades. And closer look at her towel. But it has so many Titas in it. I know it's probably full of holes. Style Burberry. I don't know how to say it. It kind of reminds me of that style. Or is it Louis Vuitton? One of those. Really nice. This is definitely giving me Louis. Louis tote. Yeah, this is giving me Louis totes bag. With like a cream type colored comb. So instead of giving them articulated ankles, MGA wants to give them removable legs. MGA in this invisible competition with Monster High. I can't wait till it's over, because I really do think these limbs are just to say, well, we can have removable limbs too. You could have easily gave them the Jet Dawson articulation or the River articulation. And here is our homegirl Harper, and you can see when we first get her out of her packaging, she is wearing sandals, and it does look like there's glue and residue at the bottom. And I don't know if these were supposed to go up her ankle, but they were all kind of bunched down at the bottom. These are her shorts, which are really nice quality. They are fair. I'll say that's fair quality. And this is a little ringlet on her shorts. Her fingernails are gold if you're interested. Her top is nice material, a little thin. And when you go up to her hat, it has the same design as everything else. And the hat is pinned down, but it's nice quality. She does come with the head tilt feature. Shoulders, elbows, wrists, nothing in the midsection. They can sort of move at the hips. It's a little tight. She does have a thigh cut, a double bend in the knee, and then nothing else. Now, supposedly, when you want to change her into her beach look, which is just her with her first outfit on, that's when you're supposed to detach her legs and everything like that. Now, as far as the hair quality goes, I don't mind it. It is blonde, and it does look like it may have a wash of a little bit of white in there as well. It's definitely a beach theme. She's definitely a beach girl. Now, before we get into her leg swap, we're going to go into a few comparisons. So in the dolly world, we know that Miss Harper has already been getting comparisons to Marissa Golding. Now, I personally have not had any luck finding that doll yet, but we can have this photo up there and we can kind of compare and contrast. So you can see the similarities they do have and the differences they have as well. Now, some people did compare her to Sunny Madison as well. Now, this is Sunny. You can see their eyes are two different colors and so is their skin tone. So it's really no comparison about that except them being AA characters. Now, even if we brought over Crystal's complexion is completely different from Harper. So it looks like Harper, even though some people call this the budget line, even though right now Harper doll is more than both of these dolls, they gave her a whole new skin complexion and a all new fabulous eye color to go with that complexion. So I don't personally see the comparison, but I know some people like to make those little quick comparisons about the dolls. But let's see what she's giving when we get into these legs. So we're going to take her shorts down and we're going to see how we can do a swapperoo of these legs. I just had to show you guys this. Look how they look without their legs. She reminds me of something from Little Nightmares too. A little tip I'll give you guys is that when you pull off the legs, make sure you pull hard under the knee, okay? Alright, so we have Miss Harper in her complete beach look. And it was easy swapping her legs out. The legs are really easy. They just look kind of creepy. I mean, it just could have gave us articulated ankles, but it leaves a smooth finish. So for those who love a smooth finish, that's a positive. You can see we got Miss MJB Harper in her cute little outfit with her purse. It's really good. And I really do think her beach towel complements her look very, very well. Overall, I'm really excited to have her, but like the majority are saying, I do think these dolls could have easily gone for $22 to $26. Currently they're going for $31, I think, on Amazon and Target, if I'm not mistaken. So if you guys are interested, you can head over there and pick them up. The most high quality piece in this set, I do think maybe is the purse and the shorts. The glasses are really nice too. Let me show you guys these shades on the side. So if you guys can't see, there's little tiny Pegasus on the side to kind of go along with the Pegasus that's on her purse. Very name brand girl. Yes, don't think I didn't peep that, sis. But don't forget that MGA, we didn't forget about these dangles right here. Yes, these feet. Just give us articulated ankles in the long run, and I think it'll save you a coin, girl. Yes, but overall, I think Miss Harper is a beautiful doll, and she'll be a great addition to anyone's collection. I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you have any questions or anything that I didn't bring up in the video, let me know by leaving me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the Pacific Coast dolls. Are you into them? Are you not into them? Are you impressed? Or do you think MGA needs to come up with another concept? Stay at Rainbow High a little bit longer before venturing off, because I also heard that they're coming up with another brand called Shadow High. We'll see what that's bringing to the table. But on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Me and Harper, we're about to go make a splash. Yes.
Another one. All hail to the queen, Mary J. Blige. It's so hard to fake when everything I do is real. Money and a doggy bag, I ain't missing no meals. No move on me wrong, I need to save my energy. Everybody, family, leave it to the industry. Heard a lot of noise, we ain't talking that way. We ain't moving like that, no way, no way. Heard a lot of noise, only positive vibes. I don't pay no mind, I don't pay no mind. Every day like my birthday, bring the cake in, bring the cake in, bring the cake in. I feel good, I feel great, man, I feel amazing. I'm at. He wanna play house, I ask him where's the fun in that. Let's go. Seeing all these blessings, man, I think I pray too much. Lately I've been feeling like I turn up way too much. Where the break, sun got us all day. Raise glasses